If you want to enhance your security on Lyft by removing all devices from your account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your device settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security. Within the Settings menu, look for the Security option. This section contains all the security-related settings for your account. Step 4. Manage Devices. In the Security section, find the option labeled Manage Devices or Device Management. Here, you will see a list of devices currently linked to your account. Step 5. Remove all devices. Select the all devices you wish to remove. There should be an option to remove or delete next to each device. Confirm your choice to ensure the device is no longer associated with your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Lyft account secure by managing the devices that have access. Regularly checking and updating your security settings is a good practice for maintaining your account safety.